Good morning students, welcome to Toppers IIT-JEE NEET Foundation program. Yesterday we have completed up to 48th problem. Now in today's session we are going to start with 49th problem. Okay, yes, let's start. Yes, here assertion and reason type questions are given in this section. Okay, suppose in this session, in this action, one assertion will be given and one reason will be given. You have to check whether assertion is correct and reason is correct explanation of assertion or not. Okay, suppose if assertion and reason both are correct and reason is the correct expression of A, then option A is the correct. If assertion and reason are correct but reason is not the correct explanation of A, then option B is correct. If assertion is correct but reason is incorrect, then option C is correct. If reason is correct and but assertion is incorrect, so then option D is the correct answer. Okay, right. Yes, now question number 49. In a class there are X boys and Y girls. A student is selected at random, then the probability of selecting a girl is Y by X is selling. Okay, actually the probability of selecting a girl is number of girls in the class by total number of students in the class. Number of girls is actually Y. Total number of students means you have to consider as the sum of the number of boys and girls. That means probability of getting a probability selecting girl, suppose let it be P of E, that is equal to number of girls means Y by total number of students in the class, means number of boys plus number of girls. Number of boys is X plus number of boys is Y. This is the correct actually, but he is saying Y by X, so assertion is wrong. Now come to reason. Probability of an event of an experiment is ratio of the number of trials in which event E has happened to the total number of trials. Yes, this is correct. So reason is correct but assertion is wrong. Then which is the correct answer? Option D is the correct answer. Reason is correct but assertion is incorrect. So option D is answer. Okay, student, next question. Question number 50. Assertion. A coin is tossed 2 times. Probability of getting at least 2 heads is 1 by 4. Yes, suppose a coin is tossed 2 times, then what are the possible outcomes? Suppose H, 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 T, T, H, T, T. Here H represents head and T represents tail. So these 4 are the possible outcomes. Then what is the assertion? A coin is tossed 2 times, then probability of getting at least 2 heads. At least 2 heads means there is only one possible out of 4 cases. So probability of event P of E is equal to 1 by 4. That means assertion is correct. Now reason. When a coin is tossed 2 times, then the sample space is set of H, 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 T, T, H, T, T. Yes, reason is also correct. Means both assertion and reason is correct and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So option A is the correct answer. Next question, students. In this session we are going to start with 51 and we will complete all the problems in this chapter in this session. Okay, right. Let us start with first question. Here matrix matching type questions are given here. Yes, in that first, a bag contains 7 red balls and 6 green balls. a ball is drawn at random from the bag, then the probability of getting 51 question. Question number 51. P of a red ball is, P of a red ball means we have to understand it as probability of choosing a red ball from that bag. That is the meaning of that. So P of a red ball means yes, how many red balls are there totally? 7 red balls are there. Number of red balls by total number of balls. Total number of balls means number of red balls plus number of green balls. So 7 plus 6. 7 by 7 plus 6 means 13. Then probability of choosing red ball is 7 by 13. Option D is the correct one. Next, question number 52. P of a green ball is, means probability of choosing a green ball from the bag is, P of a green ball is equal to number of green balls. Number of green balls by total number of balls. Number of green balls 6, total number of balls 13. So 6 by 30 is the correct answer. Option C. Next, question number 53. P of a black ball is, actually in the given bag there are only 2 color balls and those are green and red color. There are no black color balls at all. So it's not possible to choose black ball from the given bag randomly. So this means this event is called impossible event. We know that probability of any impossible event is always 0. Means P of a black ball means we can write it as a number of black balls. Number of black balls is 0 by total number of balls 13. 0 by 13 means 0. Option B is the correct one. Next, question number 54. P of a colored ball. A colored ball means any one of the color, means either red or green. Okay, P of a colored ball is equal to yes, either red or green means what? All are favorable colors, means 7 red balls plus 7 green balls by total number of balls 13. 13 by 13 is equal to 1. And this type of events are called sure events. Probability of sure events always equal to 1. So from the given options, option A as well as option E both are correct. Next matrix matching type question. One more question. One more is there in that. An experiment consists of a rolling a die and then tossing a coin once if the number on the die is even. If the number on the die is odd, the coin is tossed twice. Sample space of this experiment is S is equal to 2H, 2T, 4H, 4T, 6H, 6T, 1HH, 1TH, 1TT, 1HT, 3HH, 3HT, 3TH, 3TT, 5HH, 5HT, 5TH and 5TT. Okay, then first question in this, question number 55. Probability that 2 heads appears is, 2 heads appears, suppose let it be P of E. P of E means here probability of 2 heads appears. 2 heads appears is equal to here. How many times are there? Here 1 time, second time, third time. There are 3 times. Out of count them, total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Total number of outcomes are 18. 3 by 18 means 1 by 6. Option C is the Correct answer. Next question. Question number 56. Probability at least that at least one head appear is. At least one head means here you have to understand it as either one head or more than one head. Means minimum number of heads should be 1. Yes, then count the, let be P of E to P of E again. Here P of E means probability of that at least one head appears. Here at least one head means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 are the possibilities. Means number of outcomes by total number of outcomes. 12 by 18. 6 is the common factor for 12 and 18. So you can take it as 2 by 3. Option A is correct. Next question 57. Probability that die shows an even number and coin shows exactly 2 heads. Let be P of E be the probability of event that die shows an even number and coin shows exactly 2 heads. Even numbers are what here? If you throw a single die, we can get even numbers 2, 4, 6. Remaining 1, 3, 5 are odds. Okay. Yes. 2, 4, 6. Here 2 and one more condition here 2 heads. Okay. Here 2 is even number, but here only one head. So it's not favorable. Here 2t, there is no head. Not favorable. 4h, 4 is even but no head, 2 heads. 4t. Okay. 6h, 6t, 1hh. So here there is no even one possible outcome, one favorable outcome. So number of favorable outcomes are 0 for that event. That means then probability this event is called impossible event. Then probability of impossible event is 0. The required answer is 0 and no chance. Option E is also correct. There is no chance to get even number with the combination of 2 heads. So option B and option E are correct. Next question number 58. Probability that the die shows an odd number and coin shows at least one tail. Odd numbers are what here? If you throw a single die, we will get 1, 3, 5 as odd numbers, remaining 2, 4, 6 are even numbers. Okay. At least one tail means again meaning minimum number of tails should be 1, either 1 or more than 1. Yes, let's check. Let this event be, probably this event be P of E, then P of E is equal to 1. Here 1 HH is there, but here one tail, at least one tail means this is not favorable. 1 TH, yes, 1 TT, 2, 1 HT, 3, 3 HT, 4, 3 TH, 5, 3 TT, 6, 5 HT, 7, 5 TH, 8, 5 TT, 9. So these 9 are the favorable outcomes. Means number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes means 18. 9 by 18 means 1 by 2. So option D is correct. Yes. Matrix matching type questions are completed. Now we are going to enter into integer answer type questions. Generally these questions are based on the values from 0 to 9 integers. Okay. Right. Let's start with first integer answer type question. Question number 59. A card is drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards, and if the probability of getting neither a red card nor a queen is k by 13, then k is equal dash. In a deck of cards, total number of cards are 52. These 52 can be divided as 4 sets. Each set contains 13 cards. Spade symbol cards 13, club symbol card 13, heart symbol card 13, diamond symbol card 13. In this again spade symbol and club symbol both will be in black color. This heart and diamond symbol card will be in red color. Okay, yes, number of red color cards are 26, number of black color cards are 26. Yes, out of these 26 and red card should be not be taken and queen also should not be taken, means these 26 cannot be taken, these are not favorable. Now from these 26 we have to choose. Again out of these 26, if take a first set spade symbol card, in this spade symbol card one queen will be there, means that queen should not be taken. Again club, if take club symbol cards, here also one queen symbol will be there, here also that queen should not be taken, means out of these 26 2 should not be taken, means remaining are what, 24. These 24 are favorable outcomes to the event. Then probability of this event P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes, 24 by 52. 4 is common factor, it can be taken as 6 by 13, but the 6 by 13 is given as k by 13. 6 by 13 can be taken as k by 13. So here two fractions are equal and both denominators are equal, then numerator should be equated. Then we get 6 is equal to k. The required answer is 6. Next question students. Question number 60. Two dice are thrown at the same time and if the probability of getting sum of two numbers appearing on both the dice is 8, is 5 by 6 power n, then n plus 7 is equal to what? Okay, first we need to find the value of n, later we can find n plus 7. Yes, so yes, if two dice are thrown, then what are the possible outcomes? 6 power 2 means 36. Okay, we'll get 36 outcomes whenever if we throw two dice at a time. But your condition is what? Sum of the counts on both dice should be 8. First of all, what are the possible outcomes? 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4 and so on, 6 5 comma 6 comma 6. Here 1 comma 1 means first one represents the count on first die, second one represents the count on second die. Similarly here 6 5 means here first 6 represents the count on first die, 5 represents count on second die. Now these are the total possible outcomes. Out of these possible 36 possible outcomes, which are favorable outcomes to the event? Sum of the counts on both dice should be 8. Then what are the favorable then? 2 comma 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. Means in the same way 6 comma 2. Next 3 comma 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. Next 5 comma 3 means 5 plus 3 is 8. Next 4 comma 4. Yes, these are only favorable outcomes. Total number of favorable outcomes are 5. Then probability of this event is 5 by 6 power 2. But in the given question, the probability of this event is given 5 by 6 power n. So let us take 5 by 6 power 2 is equal to 5 by 6 power n. Here two fractions are equal and at the same time both numerators are equal, so denominator should be equated. Means 6 power 2 is equal to 6 power n. Then here bases are equal and values are equal, so power should be equated. Means 2 is equal to n. But we require n plus 7. Therefore n plus 7 is equal to 2 plus 7, that is equal to 9. 9 is the required answer. Okay students, next question. Question number 61. A box contains cards bearing numbers from 6 to 70 and one car is drawn. Here students, you have to remember it as This is not a car, this is a card. Okay, instead of car is typed. Okay, make it correct. One card is drawn at random from the box. If the probability that it bears a one digit number is 4 by 16 k plus 1, then k is equal to what? One digit number means single digit numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, but card numbers are started from 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 up to 70. Okay, then total number of cards are 70 minus 5. Okay, why? Because we have started from 6 onwards. So, we should subtract first 5 means 5. 70 minus 5 means 65. There are 65 cards totally. Yes, then event is what? Getting a single digit number. Single digit number is what? 6 is single digit number, 7 is single digit, 8 is single digit, 9 is single digit, but 10 onwards, 2 digit number started. So, these 4 are the favorable outcomes to event. Then, let P of E be the probability of this event. Then, number of favorable outcomes means 4 by total number of outcomes are 65. 4 by 65. But in the given question, probability of that event is 4 by 16k plus 1 means what? 4 by 16k plus 1 is equal to 4 by 65. Again here two fractions are equal. In both fractions numerators are equal. So denominator should be equated. Means 16k plus 1 is equal to 65. Yes. 16k is equal to 65 minus 1, that is equal to 64. Therefore, k is equal to 64 by 16 means 4. 16 4 is 16. 64. So, the required answer is 4. Next question, students, 62. Question number 62. A letter of English alphabet is chosen at random if the probability of that the letter so chosen is a vowel is m by m square plus 1, then m is equal to what? Okay, total there are 26 English alphabets, we know that. Yes, out of these 26 alphabets, how many vowels are there? 5. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels and these are 5. Yes. Let P of E be the probability of event. Yes. Yes, number of favorable outcomes event is what? 5. By total number of outcomes is 26. Therefore, probability required event is 5 by 26, but that value is given as m by m square plus 1. So, let us consider 5 by 26 is equal to m by m square plus 1. Means 5 by 26 can be written as 25 plus 1 is equal to m by m square plus 1. Again this 25 can be written as 5 square plus 1. So 5 by 5 square plus 1 is equal to m by m square plus 1. On comparing both LHS and RHS parts, we will get the value of m is equal to 5. The required answer is 5. Okay, students, next question. Yes, practice sheet 5, level 3 type questions here. In this section, only the questions which were asked in previous COMT exams are given. Okay, yes, let us solve them. First one means question number 63. What is the probability that there are 53 Sundays in a leap year? We know that leap year contains 366 days. Okay, the total number of days in leap year is what? 366 days. These 366 days, 52 weeks are there. 52 weeks. Remaining 2 odd days are there. 52 weeks means what? Every week contains 7 days. So 52 into 7, 364. So 366 can be written as 364 plus 2 days. 364 days means again 52 weeks. Okay, plus 2 days. Yes, every week contains one Sunday. So in 52 weeks, 52 Sundays are there. Okay, remaining 2 days. What about the remaining 2 days? Those remaining 2 days may be either Sunday, Monday. This is one of the possibility. Or Monday, Tuesday. This is another possibility. In the same way, next possibility, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Wednesday, Friday, Thursday, or Thursday, Friday, or Friday, Saturday, or Saturday, Sunday. Okay, these are the possibilities. Yes, but we need one more Sunday. Already we got 52 Sundays. Yes, to get one more Sunday. Where are the Sundays? Let us check. Here first one, Sunday, Monday. Means here one Sunday is there. Next Monday, Tuesday, no Sunday. Tuesday, Wednesday, no Sunday. Wednesday, Thursday, no Sunday. Thursday, Friday, no Sunday. Friday, Saturday, no Sunday. Saturday and Sunday. Yes, here Sunday is there. Means first and last. These two are the favorable outcomes. Here we get a Sunday. Means yes, out of 7, 2 are favorable outcomes. So probability of getting 53 Sundays in leap year is equal to 2 by 7. Therefore, from the given options, option B is the correct answer. Okay, students. Next question. Question number 64. Which of the following is true? Option A. Probability of an event is always greater than 1. Yes, as we discussed in the previous classes, probability of any event should not exceed 1. At the same time, should not be below 0. Means the probability of any event varies from 0 to 1. Means the minimum value of probability of any event is 0. Maximum value of probability of any event is 1. So option A is wrong. Similarly, probability of option B, probability of an event can be any positive number. Okay, any positive number means what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are all positive numbers. But as I said now, probability of any event cannot exceed 1. Means so it cannot be more than 1. So option B is also wrong. Next, option C, probability of an event cannot be negative. Yes, probability of any event should not be negative. So option C is true. Anyway, let us check option D also. What is option D? Probability of an event cannot be 0. This is wrong. Why? Because probability of event may be 0 or more than 0, but should be less than 1. So option D is wrong. Finally, option C is correct answer. Next question. Question number 65. Two paired dice are thrown together. The probability that the number 5 does not appear on any of them is. Okay, we know that if we throw 2 dice at a time, then we will get 6 power 2 possibilities. 6 power 2 means 36 possibilities. Yes, what are the 36 actually? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, and so on, 6, 6. Like this we will get. Yes, out of these 36, which are the favorable and which are not favorable? Okay, means what? Either count on first day and count on second day should not get 5. Means yes, in which case we will get 5, 1, 5. Here we are getting 5 and count 5 on second die. Next 5, 1, 5 at the same way time 5, 1 also. Next 2, 5 at the same time 5, 2. 3, 5 at the same time 5, 3. 4, 5 at the same time 5, 4. Next 5, 6. 5, 5. Okay, this only can be taken one time. Next 5, 6 at the same time 6, 5. Only in these cases we are getting 5. In the remaining cases we don't get 5. Means yes. How many are these? Let us check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These 11 cases are not favorable. Means remaining cases are favorable. Out total number of cases are 36. Out of 36, 11 are not possible. Not favorable means remaining 25 are favorable. So probability of the event be P of E, then P of E can be taken as 25 by 36. From the given options, option D is correct answer. Okay. Next question, students. Question number 66. In a survey of 364 children aged 19 to 36 months, it was found that 91 liked to eat potato chips. If a child is selected at random, the probability that he or she does not like to eat potato chips be dash. Okay, there are totally 364 children are there. Out of these 364 children, 91 are interested to eat potato chips. Then how many are not interested to eat potato chips? Total number of children minus number of children who are interested to eat potato chips means 364 minus 91, that is equal to 273. These 373 children are not interested to eat potato chips. So let P of E be the required probability of event. Then P of E can be taken as the number of children who are not interested to eat potato chips means 273 divided by total number of children means 364. Okay, here for 273 and 364, 91 is the common factor. 91 3s are 273, 91 4s are 364. So we will get 3 by 4. Still we can simplify it as 0.75. 3 by 4 is nothing but 0.75. From the given options, option C is the correct answer. Okay, next question, students. 67. Question number 67. Two coins are tossed 1000 times and the outcomes are recorded as below. Frequency of two heads is equal to 200. Frequency of one head is 550. Frequency of zero heads is 250. Okay, zero head means no heads. Yes, based on this information, the probability for at most one head is dash. At most one head means you have to understand is maximum number of heads should be 1. Minimum number of heads should be 0. Okay, and we should not get more than one head. That is meaning. Yes. First of all, if you toss a yes, let the probability of this event be P of E. Yes. Then what are the favorable outcomes of that event? We should not get two heads. Means the remaining you may get 0 head means and 1 head. Okay. Yes. The frequency of 0 heads is 250 means these 250 cases are favorable. Next, the frequency of 1 head is 550. This is also favorable. Means either this or this means both sum of these. Yes, frequency of 2 heads 200, but we should not get 2 heads now. So that is why we can take number of favorable outcomes. The event is 550 plus 250, that is equal to 800. Yes, then therefore probability of event is equal to P of E and is equal to number of favorable outcomes event by total number of outcomes to the E is 800 by 1000. Yes, 200 is the common factor for 800 and 1000. So 200 4 times by 5 times 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is the required answer. Option C is correct. Next, question number 68, students. If P of E1 is equal to 1 by 6, P of E2 is equal to 1 by 3, P of E3 is equal to 1 by 6, where E1, E2, E3 and E4 are elementary events of random experiment, then P of E4 is equal dash. Yes, we know that the sum of the probabilities of all elementary events must be equal to 1. So, let us take P of E1 plus P of E2 plus P of E1 plus P of E2 plus P of E3 plus P of E4 is equal to 1. Yes, here P of E1, P of E2, P of 3 values are given. Yes, let us substitute these values in this equation. Right, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus P of E4 is equal to 1. So, we get P of E4 is equal to 1 minus of 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. That is equal to 1 minus of, let us simplify this by taking LCM of the denominator, these fractions. Yes, 6 is the LCM here. 6 can divide 6 one time, 1 into 1, 1. Plus 3 can divide 6 2 times, 2 into 1, 2. Again 6 can divide 6 one time, 1 into 1, 1. Okay, that means 1 minus of 1 plus 2 plus 1 means 4 by 6, 4 by 6. 1 minus 4 by 6. 1 minus 4 by 6 means 6 minus 4 by 6 means 2 by 6. 2 by 6 means what? 1 by 3. So, option C is correct answer. Okay students, we are going to find the solution for last question, that is nothing but question number 69. A die is thrown 250 times and the outcomes are noted as given below. Yes, outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, frequencies are 65, 40, 42, 25, 33 and 45. Means you have to understand it as frequency of 1 is 65. Means what, if you throw a single die, yes, 1 is repeated 65 times, 2 is repeated 40 times, 3 is repeated 42 times, 4 is repeated 25 times, 5 is repeated 33 times, 6 is repeated 45 times. Okay, yes, now what is the question? If a die is thrown at random, find the probability of getting 2, 1, 3 and 4 respectively. Yes, let us take probability of getting 2 as P of E2. Yes, then frequency of 2 is what? 40. These 40 are favorable outcomes. By total number of outcomes are 250. Therefore, probability of getting number 2 is equal to 40 by 250 means 4 by 25. 4 by 25 is nothing but 0.16. Next, probability of getting 1. Let it be P of E1. Yes, then frequency of 1 is 65. Okay, then 65 are favorable outcomes to event. 65 by total number of outcomes 250. Means here 5 is the common factor. 5 13s, 5 50s, 13 by 50. 13 by 50 can be taken as 0.26. Next, probability of getting number 3 means P of, let it take as P of E3. Yes, frequency of 3 is 42. So, probability of getting number 3 is equal to 42 by 250. Means 21 by 125. If you simplify 21 by 125, you will get the value 0.168. Next, probability of getting 4. Let us take it as P of E4. P of E4 is equal to frequency of 4 means 25. Okay, then P of E4 is equal to 25 by 250. Means what? 25 ones, 25 tens. 1 by 10. 1 by 10 can be written as 0.1 and also it can be written as 0.10. So, from the given options, which is the correct one? I can order 0.16, 0.26, 0.168, 0.10. So option B is the correct answer. Okay students, I hope you understand all the solutions for the given problems. Yes. Thank you. Let us meet in the next session.